so if it shifts to the right, what happens to hydrogen? It decreases. Questions? Yay or nay? All right, so number B, or letter B. What happens to nitrogen if pressure is decreased? So looking at nitrogen, if pressure is decreased, it's going to the side of what? All right, so it's going to which side? So it's going to the left. So if it goes to the left, what happens to nitrogen? It increases. All right, and the last one I gave you is number 3. What can you tell me about the moles there? Is the equation balanced? So what do we need to do? All right, added 2 here. Now what can you tell me about the moles? Okay, the moles are balanced. All right, what can you tell me about the moles on the left?
It's 2 moles.
What can you tell me about the moles on the right?
2.
All right, so the person who said, are they equal? Are they equal? Yes. So what happens to HI if the pressure is increased? It stays the same. Okay, you see the difference in those? Now, does concentration or temperature work that way? Can it stay the same with concentration or temperature? No, that only happens with pressure. Questions about that before we talk about homework? Anybody? All right, let's talk homework real quick and see if anybody has a question on homework.
Are you ever going to ask like the volume?
We're probably not. Probably not. I usually say pressure. The only reason I did that is in case the state does. I would assume they'd largely say pressure, but I don't ever get to see the state test, so I have no idea. Sal, put the phone up. Take the vessel.
I don't count it fast, right? If it is, I'm ready to go.
Hurry up. All right, question number 1. This goes back to like number 1 in the opening. If K is equal to 1, which reaction would be favored? The forward, the reverse, or neither? Neither, because you'd have almost equal amounts of both. If K is very small, that's like saying it's much less than 1. So which reaction would be favored? Reverse. If K is much greater than 1, which would be favored? Forward. All right, here goes our discussion yesterday. If we add HI, it's asking for forward, reverse. You could say left or right. I'll take it either way. If we add HI, which reaction is favored? Forward or right? Either answer is correct. If you add H2, it's reverse because it goes to the opposite sides. You can say reverse or left. If you remove HI, forward or right? If you remove HI, huh? I2, the C was I2. If you remove I2, it would be forward or right. And D is remove HI. That one is what? Which way will it go if we remove HI? Go reverse. All right, number 3. This time they're asking you what happens if you do that. What will happen to the concentration of water? That's right. So you have to figure out what direction it's going to shift and then what will happen to the water. So if I add HCl, the reaction will shift which direction? It will shift to the what? To the right. So what will happen to water? Will water increase or decrease then? It will increase. That's the answer. Increase. Knowing it will shift right is not the answer. Water will increase. If I remove chlorine, which direction will it shift? It will shift right. So what will happen to the water? It will increase. If I remove oxygen, it will shift which direction? It will shift to the left.
So if you
This is why you got to know the rules. If you have 4HCl, plus, what do we got? O2 goes to 2 water plus Cl2. All right, and it said to do what? Remove chlorine. Anytime I remove, the rule is it goes to the same side. So if I remove something, it goes to the same side. So it's going to shift what direction? To the right. So I'm asking you in this question, for every single thing, what happens to water? So if I shift to the right, what happens to my amount of water? It increases. All right. The next question says to do what? Remove oxygen. All right. So this time, I'm removing oxygen. So the rule is, the rule is you do what? If you remove, you go where? Same side. So if I remove, I got to go to the same side. So I have to shift what? Left. What happens to my water if I shift to the left? It decreases. All right. And the last one says this time I'm removing chlorine. Am I on the right one? Yes, I'm removing chlorine, which is what I just did a second ago. Apparently I was supposed to be doing B and I did. No, I'm adding chlorine. Removing was B. I'm doing D. All right. This time I'm adding chlorine. So if I add chlorine, what's the rule if I add? To the other side. So if I add, I go to the opposite side. So the opposite side from adding is which direction? I'm shifting to the left. So if I shift to the left side, what happens to my water? It decreases. All right, number 4. This time I have a different equation. All right, I have 2NO plus O2 goes to 2NO2. And it's asking me if I increase pressure, will it go forward or reverse? So if I increase pressure, what do I look at?
At the mole.
At the moles. How many moles are on this side? I have 3 moles. How many moles are on this side? All right, so if I increase pressure, what's the rule? Fewer moles. So I'm doing what? Going to the right, or you could say forward. All right, for B, it says I'm decreasing the pressure, so I have to go to what? More moles, so left to reverse. All right, number 5, same equation, except that I need to add a number. Plus 113 kilojoules down here. This is my heat. Okay, so if I have this, it says I'm increasing the temperature. If I'm increasing the temperature, I have to go to what side? I have to go to the cooler side. Where's the cooler side? To the left. So I'm going what direction? Reverse, or you can say left. I'll take it either way. Because as long as you know left is reverse, you're fine. And then the other one, if I decrease temperature, I go to the warmer side or wherever the heat is. This is the heat, so I'm going to the right. All right, and the last one, in a heterogeneous system, what type of substance can be removed from the equilibrium expression? What types of materials are canceled out in K? There you go. Very good, Trent. Liquids and solids. So when you write a K expression, K equals like the equation we had the other day on our homework worksheet. I think it was KClO3. It was a solid, goes to KCl is a solid plus O2 is a gas. When you wrote your K expression and you had KCl and you had O2 and you had KClO3, you canceled those out because they were what? That's what it's asking, number 6. Which ones do you get rid of? Questions? Any issues? All right, I made up about 12 questions for us to practice as a clicker review. I think it's about 3 worksheets that I haven't handed you for test review. Most of the test review I don't have, okay? I've given you just about everything I have during this unit for the test review. The test is 65 multiple choice questions tomorrow, okay? I made a sample of 12 questions just to give you a feel for some things you need to be able to do. Is it on every single thing we've done? Of course not. I don't have 65 questions we're going to do on a Plickr today, but I picked out 12 things so that you can have a feel of things you need to be able to do. Okay? So let me grab the cards and my iPad. We're going to do that. I'm going to give you a couple things that you can practice with. Then if we have some time, we're going to move on to solutions today. May give you the lab sheet though.
What time do we leave?
We get out of here at, I didn't even look it up, it's in my email. I'll potty all and I didn't print me one. I think it's like 12. There. I can look on my iPad's email. Oh, let's see. Bell schedule today, 12 o'clock. Yep. What do you need to go to Miss Burton for? No. Needing to get a paper is not earth shattering at the moment.
No, it's like before the other lady leaves.
Right.
Oh, there's more.
What is it?
I don't know, I forgot. I know Betsy's good stuff like
Ms. Wall, do you know when the senior assembly is?
26.
Hey, we still happening?
As far as I know, we're still having it.
I thought it happened.
Unless they've completely pissed Curry off. Y'all keep throwing eggs at the front of the building, it's not gonna help you.
Oh, yeah, she's
Probably lit it.
she's fine.
Yeah, and bitch. What about,
It's said the eggs and condoms, but that is compared.
Yes.
That wasn't even creative.
She's so fire.
You don't tell me how the answer.
I heard some
You tell me how the
say that juniors are gonna start thanks to the school.
I'm
I'm gonna look at you, you gonna be.
Okay. And then she went on to say about how if the people weren't there today because of the rain, saying how they're gonna show that they're charges to pay $2,000 to get like a pressure wash.
I mean, eggs can cause disease. It's nasty.
Something new.
And then they got
Ms. Wall, I heard somebody say that some juniors are gonna do paint, so that way they can blame the seniors.
Now, you will need a calculator. You'll also need your reference table. I put, I think, 2 calculations in here with your reference table, because you will see those tomorrow on the test. So you will need your reference table and a calculator. So grab those. It's over there. What happened to yours? You lost it. It's good. I don't want you to keep up with your stuff.
Man, I can't see her.
Why can't you see?
Tevin broke his glasses.
Tevin broke his glasses?
His sunglasses.
He said,
I broke his sunglasses, not his actual glasses.
My sunglasses are prescription. They are the same lens that are in these. For real.
These are like.
As in progressive lenses, I can see
What do you think Tim is?
Yeah, but your lenses
exactly
are like.
what's on my
your lenses are
iPad.
like-
I don't have to raise them, take them off, or anything.
This lens is like $5 plastic.
like, I asked for it.
If you sat on mine, you'd break a $400 pair of glasses.
Oh, I want to break it.
Oh, it's not 400. It's about.
You just got ripped off. I'm gonna say good $7.
Huh?
That was $2.
Mine are prescription lenses.
His, I'm saying good $7.
I guess $7, right?
Plus tax.
Alright, let's get rid of this.
I mean, but it's not the hard to break. I mean, I know it's glasses not to break. 'Cause I got a pair of my day.
Some of these I can make bigger, some of them I can't, because the graphics on a couple graphs, I cannot make them so large. All right, now remember, the subscripts, I can't make subscripts. You missed the opening and we wanted to. Oh, preview, just to practice for the test tomorrow.
Okay, that's important. Increase the increase one guy to the right, and if you want to increase the other way, you can do
That's it. No error.
What is it, Tyler?
That's right.
I think it's.
That's fine.
Because it's something bigger and then it's increasing, so that's what.
Yeah.
I think it's-
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
All right, you got it?
One that goes to the.
I think you,
What do you mean, which one to use?
Yeah.
like, you know how there's one, the one that's right and then one's left? I
Yeah.
don't know which one to use for a question, oh my gosh.
Is it increase or decrease?
Yeah. So if the concentration of HCl is increased, that means I added HCl. So I added a reactant because HCl is a reactant. So if I add a reactant, you got to use the rule. And so if I add a reactant, is it going to shift to the same side or the opposite side as the rule you're using? Okay, so use that and then figure it out.
The answer goes on top, right?
Yes, the answer should be on top. Should be up. There. Yeah, if you put it upside down, you're going to get the wrong answer when I scan.
And you can't switch it.
No, once I scan,
What'd you
it
put,
will not rescan.
What'd you put?
Yeah.
Right.
Wait, Miss Juan, did you already scan mine?
I just did.
It's wrong.
Oh, that look cool.
Oh, I'm so scared.
I wrote your thumb. There you go. I was gonna say, some part of your finger's touching the black. All right.
Okay, cool. You good?
All I missed is Selma.
Because I hate to beat you up.
All right.
Outside.
Selma, you're Juliana. What number
I
are
thought
you?
you were number 10.
Oh, 20.
Dang.
You'll say, well, that scan, it's not gonna look at your name. Switch that out for the right
It
card.
looks like.
All right, so we got 12 people with the right answer, 3 people with the wrong answer. All right, you have the right answer, but it's just not you. All right, if you add HCl, does it go to the same side or the opposite side?
Opposite.
Opposite side, so it's going to shift to the right. All right. Go on, baby.
How many people got it wrong?
If you add something, so I'm adding a reactant, which is HCl, right? So if I add HCl, it has to go to the opposite side. So the opposite side is to the right. There we go. All right, calculate. We're gonna calculate that one.
Hey, don't you add
I just make sure it's
the
What the heck?
What do you mean?
What
The
the hell?
C, or whatever it's supposed to be.
Oh.
Subtraction.
40 to 15, so 40 minus 15 is negative. Negative 20.
God, do it by yourself. Instead of yelling across the room. Just on trash, right, Mark?
Bless you.
Yeah, it's right on an answer.
She's not talking up a storm today. That's all, Jennifer.
Yeah, that's how.
That's how it's yesterday.
That's how I got on the. No, we did this one time.
We did so much.
Cutting the settings.
Back up.
Yeah.
We did on this question.
All right, we got it?
No.
Oh.
Oh my God, Trevor said that one.
Girl, I got that.
I just saw that.
I think this is wrong. It's not that simple. I don't think it is.
Can you work that out?
Right, Liz?
I don't know, I didn't look.
No, you got it wrong.
Oh, I did it.
Your fingers are in the way there, John.
I
Yes, you did.
Oh, never mind.
What is it?
What you choose?
What you choose?
So what is it?
Oh, how do you Q equals?
Bruh.
Tell me.
Bro, you did.
Did you get mine?
Oh, you put up there.
Did I get it right?
What's the
Yes,
answer?
Liliana.
Oh,
you
yeah.
did.
What you get?
No te digo porque.
Waiting on Hema, Bryce, Destiny,
Well,
Tevin. I need to see yours.
Tell me get it right.
No, I got it wrong.
So why you?
Averaging
I kind of figured,
7
bro.
to 7. We're about 8 to 7.
What's the answer?
About 50-50. The correct answer would be. Alright, let me see if it'll let me write on it. It might. There it goes. Q equals MCP delta T. Alright, how'd I know to pick the one that had delta T?
Because you have to change
It's gotta change the temperature, so I'm solving for Q. My mass is what? 35. My delta T is 25. Where do I find CP at?
On your reference.
And it's what? 4.18. When I multiply all these things together, I get 3,657.
Oh,
Okay?
so when it cools off, wait, it's liquid. It's
It said water up there.
where?
Oh, should have said water. Sorry.
Right, right. I'm
Sorry.
like,
That's a
wait.
typo on my part. I was working on that while I was in a meeting. That's my fault.
You weren't paying attention.
I was not paying attention to the meeting.
Just because we couldn't sit there, because I had to talk about it.
I did. I wasn't paying attention to that, but I was working on this.
Second and fourth period, I was there having a good old time. I told Slinky. The concentration of the vapor above a liquid is 0, then boop, 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 dip, 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 dip.
Didn't I answer this one last time?
Give me
It was on a worksheet. It's very possible that you did it before.
You asked the class and I.
I did.
Hey, baby. Wait,
Are we ready?
you just got in. I know when to hear your mouth.
Y'all didn't do anything before I got here.
Yes, we
Whatever
did.
homework did the other.
Exactly. Be quiet. Shh. Be quiet.
Hands is the way, Justin.
Stand over there.
Your fingers can't be in
I was
place
like,
like
good
that.
day. Don't you come up here with your little shenanigans.
Even the tiniest little bit and it will not stay.
I don't care if you just woke up.
Alright, so we're 14 to 2. So, which one's the right answer? A. If the liquid has no vapor above it, meaning there's no gas, can you condense if there's no vapor? No. Alright.
Man, that lotion smells good. Yeah.
Alright, what number represents the activation energy on the graph?
But
Which of those numbers represents the activation energy on the graph? A, B, C, D. Which one of those? Which one is the activation energy on the graph?
give me a hand. You're a gentleman.
From this card.
Yeah, I gotta have the front side too. Does not work with back.
Slick.
To me, right? Amen. I think it's. You're a gentleman.
Only I'll turn it or actually tilt it. There you go.
Nothing.
Turn it.
Alright.
Whip it.
We got all but one. Alright, activation energy is number 1. It goes from the reactants to the top of the curve. Tell me this. Is it an endo or exothermic graph?
Endo.
Alright, I heard both answers.
Endo because.
It's endo because the products are what?
Higher.
Higher. Very good. Alright, so let's say that we pick
We're going to end up something next
this graph.
What is the normal?
What's the normal boiling point for graph A? So for graph A, which one of those would be the normal boiling point?
I do not even.
Granted, I was estimating.
I don't know. Bullet point.
I
Oh,
wasn't here for this either.
Oh, yeah,
Telling me
they-
you were not
they-
here, just like I just like on the testimony. You gotta get caught up. Video, the classmates were here for notes. I was here 3 afternoons last week.
You weren't here either.
Yeah.
This doesn't care.
No, you moved away.
Hey, bro. I think, oh, bro, you better that nigga ran out the house and said, I'm trying to get
All right,
you
ready?
That joke was
Oh,
funny.
He came on.
Gone.
Right. I was like, where you running?
There you go.
This shit. That joke is fun. Oh, hold up. I don't know if this. Boy, why is it blue?
Because I forgot to mark the right answer. Did you not do it? All right, the right answer is A. All right, you would have to, for those of you who are not here, because it says normal boiling point. Normal boiling point is, it's at standard pressure, which is, on this case, 760 millimeters. So you'd have to go across here, okay? Because I said graph A, it's here, and you'd read down, and I was sort of estimating, so it should be closer to 40, all right? But it would be A, okay? Questions about that?
Wait. So if it was like, so if it didn't say normal, what else would it say?
What if I said which one of those has the highest boiling point?
What's not?
D. Which if I said which one has the highest intermolecular or highest attractive forces?
See? Yeah,
Which one has the greatest attractive forces or strongest intermolecular forces? Why would it be D? Highest boiling point.
Oh, the properties are okay.
Okay.
Jordan.
All right. Answer that one. Have Jordan bring you a paper. She wanders halls all the time. Jordan.
No, she don't.
Destiny needs a paper from Miss Burton. See? Tell her what you need. I was trying to help you out. All right.
The pressure is increased. Pressure increases goes to the right.
Come on.
Hey baby, we in the club, right?
You there?
Very patient.
Yo, yeah. All they do with
Destiny, your
yeah.
hand is all over the black, babe.
There you go, baby. There you go.
I mean, I can clearly tell that you're trying to show me your answer. And your hand is covering the black piece because you're more focused on your phone.
I put money on it right now.
C.
I need Bryce.
Did you get
Nah, bro, I put 5 on it. I put 5 on it. I put 5 on it. If you don't choose that, you can get it wrong.
Right, C.
I put.
Because you know you gonna lose.
So we got 11 people right and 4 people with the wrong answer.
Told you.
If I increase pressure, it goes to what side? The side with less moles. So on the left, how many moles do I have? How many moles are here? I have 5. How many moles are here? So what side am I going to? I'm going to the right. So what's going to happen to my water if I go to the right?
Increase.
It's going to increase. All right.
I told you, homeboy. Can't touch this.
We don't want to touch these.
Nah, I ain't gonna make no jokes. I ain't gonna make no jokes.
How many joules of heat does it take to melt 55 grams of ice at 0 degrees Celsius?
How many joules of heat does it take to melt 55 grams of ice? 55 at 0. 55
Oh.
I told your homeboy.
Wait, what is this? What is that?
No, quantity of heat energy. It's MH.
Hurry up.
All right, got it?
Hold. Wait a minute. I thought I was finished. Yeah. Okay. So.
Appreciate it. He's gonna look at me and I bless him. But I said it, but I said it in my head. Thank you.
Yeah, I said it in my head.
Oh, you did. You gotta read my mind.
Oh, that number is up there. That junk is hard. This is grams of ice.
What did you put?
Miss Wall,
What'd
we
you
did this
get?
class
What,
at
D?
12.
B, how?
D.
Say what?
D?
Yes. Because it says
What
ice.
time do we leave this class?
Wow,
Which one did you sound?
Sound like you did it
Huh?
wrong.
I couldn't hear you over all the noise.
Wait, whoa.
It's either Q equals MH.
Yeah, tell you did it wrong.
Yeah, you did it wrong.
All right, can we scan?
Yeah.
I mean, but I did the other one, goddamn.
All right.
But it says for ice.
I put this stuff
I know, bro. It's probably gonna be wrong, but I'm gonna try to go.
I just have faith.
up. It is wrong with
Yeah, it is wrong, bro.
Did you get me?
You say yeah, it's wrong.
No, I was just.
Liliana, rotate a little bit. Liliana, rotate. There you go. Same for you, Bryce. There we go. I got it.
You look so dumb right
Hey, I
now.
know Doc.
I need Salma's, Destiny,
Hey,
What?
Trent, Skip Junior. Okay.
This
What?
is-
All
Yeah.
right, who am I missing?
I
I
love
got,
That'd be like.
okay, I got Salma.
It'll be up in
I
there.
got
I got
Hemma's.
wrong too, 'cause I did
I need Destiny.
There's so many places I want to go.
There we go.
I want to go to
All right,
Denver.
so we got 11 and 5. So 11 right, 5 wrong. So, see how it says melt? That's Q equals MHF. So your mass is what?
Y'all niggas low-key said V now.
55. Where do you find HF tomorrow on the test? So it was 334. When you multiply, you get what? 8. 18,360. I forgot my comma.
So if it say milk,
If it had said evaporate or condense or boil, or it said 100 degrees Celsius, you'd have picked Q equals MHV.
what if it,
Okay?
what if it say none of that and it just said
The only other thing it's going to say is another word here like evaporate or condense, and instead of 0, it's going to say 100 degrees Celsius.
so when do we use these?
When do we use what? It would say ice, but it was going to be in specific heat. Can you what?
Can I go?
I just typed them both.
Yeah, go ahead.
I put H.
All right, couple more. All right.
Both on there.
A and B.
H.
If concentration of water is increased, what will happen to the concentration of oxygen? So if I increase my water, what happens to my oxygen?
The concentration of water increase. Ooh, that's the one I messed up the other day. Go ahead, Trent. Make it right, Trent. Okay. I do not know which one to pick.
50-50 chance.
Increases, what will happen?
It doesn't change.
Salma, she holding it up.
I can black. Wham bam. Black. Oh, turn it. Oh, turn. Oh, turn. Huh? I told you.
Destiny,
Oh, wait. I don't know which one I put up there.
Put B.
I did. I had B the first time, but I think I was playing around with it.
I need Bryce and Hemma.
Did it get me or did it get? It got me. I'm gonna be pissed. She said I was great.
All right, so we got 11 and 5 again. So if the concentration of water is increased, if I increase this, does it go to the same side or the opposite side? Opposite side. So if I go the opposite side, it increases over here and decreases over here. So what happens to my oxygen?
Ah, I knew it was there.
It increases. Okay? All right, from there, let's go with this one.
Oh my
All
Lord.
right, this one's
The same one.
same one. Let me try that again. Try now.
Let's see what the heck is going on.
Are you sending it?
No, just keep sending me.
Color side is on the right.
The corner side.
The color side is on the right. Right? Yeah.
I ain't say nothing to you.
All right.
You looked at me, you did this. Was you looking at the wall? Was you looking at the chair? Oh yeah, you crazy. We need to take you to the mental hospital. No, you need fine. I ain't gonna do that like that. Alright. I'm chilling. Take your ass also,
The
man.
first 3 questions were people on it when
Welcome to
Alright, you got it?
Not yet.
Oh, I think they like me. Yeah, they like me. Them diamonds on me, ice cream.
What?
Let's say dirty. Let's say dirty.
Rebecca, tilt yours up. There you go.
That girl all up in my face like she tried to swerve me.
What?
Done?
Yeah, they would. but
All right, did I get everybody? Destiny, you know what I need, baby.
It's too far. It's supposed to be like, it's so far.
Hot dog, finally, we got 16 people with the right answer. All right,
Hot dog, hot diggity dog.
everybody was
all
right.
right, everybody's right for a change. Which letter represents Delta H?
You do not, cause you ain't never seen,
Which of those letters is Delta H?
you ain't never seen Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Or Bubble Babies, or Peter Rabbit.
Which letter is Delta H?
Tevin, move.
You already know what it is. Exactly. Shut up.
And,
Leandra, what your last name?
You ready?
What the name is?
Delta H.
Delta
It's triangle H.
I got you.
But I couldn't get a triangle, so I wrote Delta.
The Delta.
All right, ready?
yes.
Yo.
What?
Liliana.
See, bro, I'm about to grill up.
Liliana. Liliana. There you go.
I'm about to have the grill, but oh yeah, all 3 of them. Who wanted first?
Destiny, Bryce.
Yeah, take off the glasses. You know you still blind. Harry Potter looking at me. I'm about to burn you up. No, I'm playing.
All right, so we got 3 people with the wrong answer. Delta H always goes from where to where? Reactants to the products. So these are the products, and those are the reactants. Delta H is from where to where?
I know 8.
2. All right. Now, what if I said reverse activation energy? What if I said EA reverse tomorrow? It would be what? 3. EA reverse is 3. Shut up. All right. EA reverse would be here at number 3. All right. I don't have EA, but EA would go from here up to there. That would be activation energy. What if I asked you what the sign for Delta H is? What if I said Delta H is what? Could you tell me if it's positive or negative?
Is negative.
How do you know? How do you decide?
It's endo.
It is
Endo.
endothermic. So if it's endothermic, it's what?
Possible.
It's positive. Everybody okay with that? All right. I think I have like 2 questions left. It goes all the way back to when we start talking about solids and liquids. All right. The entropy of a liquid is generally what? Entropy of a liquid is generally what?
Entropy of a liquid is
that?
What's the word entropy mean again?
Disorder.
Disorder. So just substitute the word in disorder and read it again.
What'd you say?
I said it.
Why not? Oh, yeah. Huh? Oh, her.
Wait.
Everything okay?
Just your finger must be touching the black. There you go.
He said you working at kids.
Alicia.
They don't even like chicken like that.
Tim said,
Got it.
my name is Devin and I work at Foot Locker.
That's it. All right, so we got 12 right and 4 wrong.
Right.
The entropy of a liquid, the disorder of a liquid, is a liquid more disordered than a gas? Is a liquid, shut up. Is a liquid more disordered than a gas?
No.
No. Who has more disorder?
Gas.
A gas. Who has less disorder?
Solid.
A solid. The liquid is in between, right?
Yeah.
So you're looking for the answer that says the liquid is the one that's in the middle. All right, so a liquid has less than a gas. Yes. So it's A.
Well, I got that right.
7, yes. All right, last question. And a lot of these, there are not this many of those on the test tomorrow, but a lot of these were left from yesterday that we didn't use. They were still in the queue. And this is the last one.
Concentration is
Yeah. Oh, Steve. Oh, I'm on my foot.
Okay, got it.
What'd you do? Have 3 times as much sugar this morning?
I took a nap.
Well, stop doing that.
Yeah. Second? I mean, it was.
Wait, so
What's your
what?
clothes?
Okay, I thought it
Your phone?
said.
Yeah. I didn't even go. I was in Miss Hargrave class.
I got mad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought
Emma, your finger's in the black.
Who goes with me?
I got mad.
Shut up.
There, go turn it. There, go.
Turn it.
Yeah, what is it?
There you go. I need Bryce, Destiny, Salma.
Did you get mine already?
Yeah.
You got a face? You're a fake?
Are you trying to show that to me, or are you just tapping your head?
You want this out?
Thank you. All right, so we got 12 right, 4 wrong. So if the concentration of NO is decreased, meaning this one right here is decreased, does it go to the same side or opposite side? Same side, so it shifts to the right, correct? So that means this side increases and this side decreases. So the concentration of NO2 increases, is that right?
Nope.
Nope. The concentration of NO2 decreases, is that right? Yep. The concentration of O2 decreases, is that right? Nope. Questions? All right, if you will, bring me my Plicker cards.
Andrew, come here. Come here. Feel like my muscles. You feel that? She got some guns, boy. Go ahead, flex them. Go ahead, flex. Yeah.
What you doing? I just want to count. You gotta count. There's 3 right there. Look, there's another one right there. Whoa. See, look at all that help I did. See that? I would never understand.
Give one of these to everybody.
We'll be there all
7, so you can't sit in the chair.
training.
Let me give one of those to everybody.
Dee Dee, hurry up.
One of those to everybody.
My sister works there. I was over there cricket, but I didn't win. You didn't win? I didn't win?
Well,
Let's go.
You get them all?
Just one,
What?
just review.
Just the 3 sheets I have left that I didn't use. 12. 3 times. I'm not gonna have to say that in 70 minutes.
I probably wasn't here when you said it.
I hate her.
Really? I've said it like 4 times. Yeah, there's only 20. The other 20 I haven't gotten out because I have pretty small.
I'm just lazy.
We're working on it. Did everybody get a multiple choice paper?
I didn't get all 3 of them.
We're working on it. Gabriel and Kevin are still working. So I asked, did everybody get a multiple choice paper?
yes.
That's just the first one that's made its way back to me.
You can have mine.
Did you get a multiple choice paper there on your spot?
Wait, it's easy, just so you want to.
I didn't get the multiple choice.
Yes, I wish I did.
It took me a while. Thank you.
I don't know, I feel like someone.
Now, that's pretty short.
Who did it go? Did you go?
All right.
Well, I didn't get that one.
Now, did everybody get a potential energy diagram? It's a graph.
That's a bet.
Excuse me, I wrote it in and back. Is there anybody who did not get a potential energy graph? Looks like this. You will see this tomorrow, probably 3 or 4 questions on the test. Anybody not get one? And I will probably not do test corrections. We did not get a good turnout on the last test. I'm not feeling any love towards doing any for this test. All right, did everybody get a math review? Those are the 3 I had left that I did not send home for homework. All right, so did everybody get those 3? We've got somewhere around 10 minutes to work on these. Bryce, I didn't buy it annual. Love to have one. Wouldn't bother me to have yours. Put it up, work on the review sheets. These are all very short. The graph is short, multiple choice are only 13 questions. Sit down in the chair. Pick one to start with and work on it. I'll be glad to answer questions in the 10 minutes we have left. No.
I turned it back in.
What? No, you may not turn them back in. No, he did not. Pick one to work on. I don't care which one you choose.
Hey, which one has more energy, gas?
Gas will have more energy than a liquid or solid. Yes. It has more motion. Kevin, sit down. Shut up. It's not rocket science.
Hey, number 1, that one's Are you okay? Yes.
That's all right.
No, it's not actually. I'm
I'll
gonna
just
say-
read the national guidance on this.
Compared to the particles in the gas, particles no, yeah, it's gas has more energy. This is compared to particles of gas, the particles of no, are larger, around.
Oh,
Wait,
what was this?
no, what is the issue? The particles It's not seeing you.
You take forever to-
I left it in the.
Yeah.
That's not stable.
No, they have more energy.
No, again,
The liquid has more.
oh, let's see, my bad.
Right, because if you drew in a canvas, this line would stay where it's at, the hump would get smaller, and then this line would stay where it was at. So the only thing that would change would be A, C, and E. Yes, exactly.
Oh, solid.
No.
An activated company is where
We said we have those solid. Solid.
It's subjective.
So which letter represents the reverse activation energy? This is where the products are, right? So the reverse activation energy would be from here to here. So the reverse activation energy, is that a C or an E?
Amorphous.
Oh, okay, so that was C. Yes, that's correct.
Well, I think it's.
All of them.
Hey.
What?
Go ask her.
Okay, let's get, we'll come back. We'll come back. The triple point of a substance is the condition in which equal amounts of solids and gas occur. Number 9,
Bless you.
B or D?
Where are we at? The triple point would be B, because it has to be in equilibrium.
Where?
That's a, last time I got it right.
Yes, it has to be B.
Number 8, with a melting
See how it says same rate?
Oh, labor.
Exactly.
I never know. What is amorphous and metallic and all sublimated mean?
So what now?
Just A, B, and C.
Where you at? Sublimated would be a solid to gas. Metallic just means it's a solid. And amorphous is a type
You don't think you're gonna do
of solid.
And this is just solid?
Just a solid, just a metal. All right, but type of solids, remember crystalline and amorphous? Amorphous is one that melts over a range like wax
it?
or rubber, plastic. And it has no definite melting point, it melts over a range.
And the other one is what?
Crystal melts a specific melting point.
If I did that, bro, I got
Definite melting
But like.
Okay, just about 11.
it.
That's like how they live.
Mhm. Or it's the particle arrangement, because
Number
crystalline has a
8
definite geometric pattern.
And number
I'm
9
gonna get rope, I'm gonna tie you to the chair.
Oh, snap.
Okay, so the right one is C.
I'll probably be arrested and I'll be on the nightly news. Stay in the chair.
So how would it be reworded? Did you know how she said that?
Yeah, no, it would have to say something about melts over a range or a definite melting point. It can't be that generic. All right, if you still have a calculator, go ahead and put it in the tub and go ahead and pack your stuff up. We're down to about 2 minutes before the bell. Study for your test. Do something new and different and prepare.
I don't know.
It's a new and novel idea, I know.
That sounds revolutionary.
No, I'm not even aware.
Right after school, after the lesson.
Hey, what molecule freezes in a definite pattern?
Say what now?
Number 7.
So as to relieve the stress, yes. That's what shot me in the foot.
So if you see me, you don't mind. That's what it is. That means like that. You might go back. I like this.
Yes.
Well,
They give me like an hour and then they're gonna forget.
it's 12.
They'll bring us out.
You accept it. Anyways.
Yes, I'm here.
What you looking for? Multiple choice one?
Yeah.
That's gonna be back a ways. Oops. Stop that before you know.